Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn money from Behance in 2026. So first of all, you need to come here on behance.net. Then when you basically create your account over here, you will be shown this type of explore page where you are going to see the creation of bunch of different other creators. So in order to earn money from it, you need to also create your projects. So click on the option of share work and select the option of project. Now you can showcase your work in the form of images, text, photo grid, video. You can embed the codes. You can also upload your 3D models. So you need to make sure that you create a strong Behance portfolio that clearly showcases your best creative work. A professional portfolio is the one of the main ways clients can discover and hire you on Behance. Now, in order to offer your freelance services, you need to open your Behance profile, then click on the option of edit availability. Now, from here, you need to turn on freelance and project commissions option so that potential clients can contact you about the paid projects. You can also use the Behance services features to the list specific creative services to set your price, the timeline, and the number of revisions and receive inquiries from the potential clients. Now, another way to earn is by selling the creative assets on Behance. You can also offer the subscriber only content through Behance's subscription feature where it is available. So if you use that option in order to receive the payment for your freelance work, you can just simply connect Stripe or PayPal to your Behance account. The availability of these payment methods depend on your country, but you will see these types of options. So Behance's free plan is going to let you sell the services and the assets, but the standard platform fees can apply. With the help of the Behance Pro, platform fees are currently zero on the eligible freelance transactions, the asset sales and the subscriptions, although the payment processing fees can still apply. The pro members can also access the exclusive freelance opportunities, advanced analytics tools, and other tools such as Boost to help reach more potential clients. So if you are interested in that, you can definitely go ahead and try this out for 7 days absolutely for free. So these are some of the methods that you can use in order to earn money from Behance. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.